And the problem with land is you're planning to sell it in 5 years and the market's slow in 5 years, you have a problem because you're not getting any income, right? And if you're expecting to sell in 5 years, you may have a problem. So, for example, I would not invest in a land deal that has a loan. Land development, I would call this high risk, high reward. Huge potential upsides. I've seen more money made in land than just about anything else, but there's a catch. It doesn't generate any income. And, when you do commercial real estate, right, you're investing in a commercial deal. Usually these deals are 5-year deals, right? Whether they're good or bad deals, they flip them every 5 years because the people that invest, when you invest your money, you don't want to invest your money for the next 30 years. You want to invest your money for the next 5 years. Get your money back and profit in a reasonable time. So there's constant churn, right? Constant opportunity, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. It's a never ending opportunity. But if you think about it, then, when you're flipping commercial real estate, you're buying commercial real estate with the expectation that you're going to sell it in 5 years, you're kind of guessing what the future will look like in 5 years, right? And sometimes in 5 years, the world has changed, probably has changed. What has the market gotten better or worse? I don't know. You don't know exactly what's going to happen 5 years from now. So with an apartment building, that does generate income, right? You collect the rent, you pay your expenses, your mortgage and your expenses. And if 5 years from now, the market's kind of slow, you're still getting rent, you're still paying your expenses. Just keep going. And in my opinion, deals should always be structured to go long and not go bad. In other words, if the market is slow and you can't sell the property, just keep going. Just keep collecting the rent, keep paying the mortgage, keep distributing the cash flow until the market gets better. That's going long. We didn't expect this to take 6 or 7 years, but it took 6 or 7 years. But hey, we still made money, right? Now, don't want a project that goes bad. A project that goes bad is where you have a loan that just ends in 5 years, right? Or if you don't sell it in 5 years because you can't sell it in 5 years, the whole thing blows up. That's a deal that goes bad. And the problem with land is you're planning to sell it in 5 years and the market's slow in 5 years, you have a problem because you're not getting any income, right? And if you're expecting to sell in 5 years, you may have a problem. So, for example, I would not invest in a land deal that has a loan because I don't want to be paying a mortgage without income indefinitely, right? And that's the problem with land. So it's hard to leverage land in a safe way. So it's higher risk, but it can be higher reward. Highest appreciation is the good part of the real estate. I talked about that earlier.
Come meet us live and become a real estate investor with us. Make money, grow, and help the community as well. So this is what I love to do every day as a real estate investor. I love to connect with you throughout our social media, and I love to make money with you as well.